Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change YouTube channel name and handle. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For whatever reason, you want to change your YouTube channel handle and name. Maybe you want to make it simpler or something else. But first of all, come to your YouTube channel page by clicking on your profile icon and clicking View Your Channel. You can go and see your handle and name at the top here, and you can go see handle in the URL and also below your channel name. Once you're here, go and click on Customize this channel below the name. And then what you need to do is scroll down on the profile page until you see the name and the handle. So first, just click on your name and change it whatever you want. And now for the handle. It says choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers, so it's important to know it does need to be unique. For example, if I change to this, I can see that there. However, this variation is available, so once you have an available handle, you can go and click on Publish in the top right, and it will then go and be updated. So that's basically how you can change YouTube channel name and handle. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.